Hello, my friends. Let me ask you a question. If you own a phone but never plug it in to charge, will it stay alive? No, the battery will run out. Your English skills need that same daily charge. It's an essential daily charge through practice. If you practice rarely, you lose everything, and frustration builds. But weave English into your daily life, and you advance powerfully. Welcome to Unlock English Podcast, where we empower bold speaking. You are not alone in this struggle. True fluency is yours, and I will guide you. Today, we unlock your voice with 7 simple routines. They will build fluency in 20 minutes daily. No fancy tools are needed. Picture fluency as a sealed door. These are your recharging keys. Soon, ease comes. Let us begin. Small actions win big. The problem is that sporadic study fades skills like mist. It leads to awkward speech and low confidence. The solution is daily routines that energize you. The steps and why follow. My friends, embrace this. Mistakes build you. Routine 1. Vocabulary warm-up. This wakes your mind up like coffee, because words are fluency's building blocks. And without them, speech crumbles. Think of chatting with friends but missing a word. This routine solves that problem. Do 5 minutes on 5 words, maybe during a coffee break. Steps. Pick words from an app based on your interests, like food or hobbies. Say each word aloud 3 times. Form a sentence with the word. For example, adventure excites me every day. Write it in a notebook. Review it in the evening. Why it's important? It sharpens your recall for uninterrupted flow. It ignites confidence to express yourself vividly. It sparks joy by connecting to your real life. My friends, do this daily. Feel vocabulary empower you, turning your talks from stumbling to smooth. Routine 2. Listen and repeat clips. This routine trains your ears to dance to a rhythm, so your speech flows naturally. It's like hearing a tune and humming along in a quiet moment. This is ideal if shyness holds you back in groups. Do it for 5 minutes, perhaps on a walk. Steps. Choose a short podcast on a fun topic like music or news. Listen once to soak in the sounds and the pace. Pause, then repeat the full sentences. Copy the intonation. For example, today the sun is bright. Say it slowly at first, then at a natural speed. Add your own twist if you feel comfortable. Why it's important? It hones your hearing for lively chats. It polishes your accent with an authentic flow. It dissolves fear through repeated comfort. Do not fear initial stumbles. Consistent practice turns hesitation into harmony. It will unlock confident conversations. My friends, we are making progress. These routines charge your English daily. They solve the fading skills problem. No more awkward pauses or lost confidence. Consistent practice unlocks it all. Let us continue with routine number 3. Speak aloud during routine tasks. Speaking is like exercising a muscle. It strengthens with use. So fluency builds without needing an audience. Many of you feel shy starting conversations. But this turns solo moments into powerful practice. You gain boldness step by step. It takes 4 minutes, perhaps while showering or cooking. Here is how. Steps. Pick a simple topic from your day, such as your morning routine. Describe it out loud in English sentences. For example, I wake up early and I drink water first. If you stumble, pause and repeat correctly. Do not judge yourself. Why it's essential. It boosts confidence because you speak freely when you are alone. It enhances fluency so words come quicker in real conversations. And it reveals weak spots, turning mistakes into growth. Repeat this daily, my friends, and watch shyness fade. Daily. Powerfully. Now we transition to routine number 4. Write short daily reflections. Writing serves as a mirror. It shows your English clearly, so you spot improvements and organize your thoughts effectively. This helps even if grammar feels tricky at first, because it slows you down to build structure. Dedicate 4 minutes in the evening, like before dinner. Follow these steps. Choose a personal event, such as a happy moment today. Write 3 simple sentences. For example, I met a friend today. We laughed a lot. It made me happy. Read it aloud. Fix any errors. Rewrite it for clarity. Why it builds fluency? It refines your grammar so sentences flow right when you are speaking. It deepens your use of vocabulary because writing embeds words. It clarifies your ideas, leading to confident chats. My friends, do not aim for perfection. Embrace the process. Daily writing strengthens your voice. Daily. Surely. It creates a foundation for effortless expression. My friends, you are doing great. Each routine recharges your English, erasing the frustration of forgotten skills. It's building unbreakable fluency. No more starting over. Daily effort creates momentum. Let us proceed to routine number 5. Think in English for simple decisions. Thinking directly in English is like building a bridge from your mind to your mouth. Words flow without translation delays. Many learners get stuck translating from their native language. But this routine trains your brain gently, and it reduces mental blocks over time. It takes 3 minutes, such as when planning your outfit or meal. Here is how. Steps. Notice a daily choice, like what to eat for lunch. Think your thoughts in English. I will have salad today because it is healthy. Say it aloud if possible, and repeat it if it feels slow. Why it's powerful. It speeds up your responses so conversations feel natural. It improves your fluency because your thoughts align with your speech. It makes English instinctive, turning it into a habit. Do not force it at first. Start small. Repeat daily, my friends, and bridge the gap. Daily. Unlocking faster thinking. Now, let us shift to routine number 6. Connect new phrases to your life. Phrases are like family members that support each other in sentences, so you speak more expressively and avoid basic talk. This helps if your English sounds robotic, because it adds color and connection. Spend 3 minutes reviewing, perhaps after lunch. Follow these steps. Learn 2 common phrases from a list or video, like "on the other hand" or "in my opinion." Link them to your experiences. On the other hand, I prefer tea to coffee. Use them in a short spoken story about your day and note them for tomorrow. Why it builds fluency? It expands your expression, so you sound more native. It boosts your understanding, because phrases carry meaning. It builds confidence, leading to engaging talks. My friends, embrace these connections. Do not overlook them. Daily integration strengthens your voice. Daily and deeply. Fostering authentic communication. My friends, we have covered 6 routines. They recharge your English daily, solving the cycle of forgotten skills and low confidence. You are now equipped for fluency. Let us complete the set with routine number 7. Review and celebrate your progress. Reviewing is like polishing a key. It fits perfectly, so all your efforts shine and lock in long-term gains. Many people overlook this, feeling overwhelmed by the journey. But it motivates you forward, because small wins build unstoppable momentum. It takes 3 minutes at the end of the day, such as before bed. Here is how. Steps. Recall one thing you did well today, like using a new word correctly. Note it in your journal. Today, I spoke a full sentence without pausing. Reward yourself with a positive thought or treat. Plan tomorrow's focus. Why it's crucial? It reinforces habits, so skills stick permanently. It sustains motivation, because celebrations combat frustration. It tracks growth, turning practice into a joyful routine. Do not skip this, my friends. Celebrate daily and watch fluency become reality. Daily. Now, let us tie it all together. Remember the problem. Inconsistent practice drains your English like an uncharged battery. It leads to awkward speech and doubt. But these 7 simple routines provide the solution. They recharge you in 20 minutes daily. They build vocabulary, listening, speaking, writing, thinking, phrases, and review into a powerful system. Picture your English voice unlocked, free, and fluent. My friends, you have the keys. Use them. Let me ask you, why wait? Start today. Weave these routines into your life and transform. Repeat daily. Start today and see huge victories. You can achieve fluency. Believe it. Act on it. Thank you for joining Unlock English Podcast. Keep unlocking, my friends, because your voice deserves to shine. See you next time.